Yo, my name is Benjamin, and in this video, I'm excited to introduce an update to scroll effects, allowing you to design animations based on the scrolling direction. Let's dive right in to take a look at how this works. Here I have a simple navigation bar that has position set to fixed. So if we give this a preview, you can see that it stays in view and overlaps our content. I would like this navigation bar to animate out of view as soon as we scroll down, so people can enjoy the contents of the page. As soon as we scroll back up, wherever we are on the page, the bar should animate back in again. So let's start by adding a scroll effect. I'll open the menu and I'll click on Scroll Animation. The default trigger here is Layer in View, and this allows you to animate layers as soon as you scroll past them or as they enter the viewport. With this release, we're adding a new trigger type called onScroll, which you can find here. This scroll animation will happen as soon as we scroll down or as soon as we scroll up, depending on the direction property. If replay is set to no, the animation would only happen once. I would like this animation to replay, so if we scroll down, it animates out, and if we scroll back up, it should animate back in again. And we've also refreshed our presets, allowing you to quickly experiment with different animation options. Before we go ahead and customize our effect, let's go into the preview and see what we have so far. So if we scroll down, it fades out, and if we scroll back up, our navigation fades back into view. So the effect is working. Now let's go ahead and customize the animation. We'll go back to our scroll animation, click on Effect, and here I'll customize a few of the properties, like setting opacity to 1, and I'll set the Y offset to be -64 pixels, which is the height of the navigation bar. I'll also customize the spring transition, and that should do the trick. In just a few clicks, we've designed a new scroll animation triggered by changes in the scrolling direction. A simple yet powerful addition to Framer, unlocking even more common navigation patterns. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more navigation updates coming soon.